make sure that you check on the expiration date. Expiration what? Because if it is expired, it is also polluted. It can harm you. It can cause you some diseases like those ones you mentioned, like cholera, typhoid, or diarrhea diseases in general. Okay? The gland pass from there is a sheep.
Nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Happy Kids School ifite abarimu b'inzobere batanga amasomo mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tutibagiwe na creche ndetse n'amashuri abanza ariyo primary school. Mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne tubafitiye amashuri yose uko ariyo baby class, middle class na top class. Mu mashuri abanza cyangwa se primary school tubafitiye kuva mu mwaka wa mbere kugeza mu mwaka wa gatandatu. Nuza n'umwana wawe muri Happy Kids School uza muzanye amaboko meza y'abarezi b'inzobere muri uyu mwuga. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83 cyangwa 0788 45 96 32. Zana umwana wawe ku ishuri ry'icyerekezo cy'ikinyagihumbi.
Pull out those sweaters quickly. Sweaters, please. It is too hot so that you can learn with energy, okay? Yes. Yes, quickly. Pull out them and get up. Get up. I need your energy. Aha. Fabrice. Get up. Get up. Aha. If you hear me, well, clap once. If you hear me, well, clap twice. Is that twice? No. Means that you are getting 0. Huh? Let's come again. If you hear me, well, clap once. If you hear me, well, clap twice. If you hear me, well, stomp your foot. If you hear me, stomp your foot twice. Nice one. Good. Welcome to Science and Elementary Technology, okay? Have a seat. We are going to start by revising what you studied last time. Who can remind us what you studied last time? Blino?
We studied about pollution.
Pollution. Is that true?
Yes.
One clap here for Blino. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Pollution is introduction of harmful substances into water.
Into water only? Into what? Into environment. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Correct. One clap here for him. Good. Talk to your partner about the types of pollution. Linda, share us with what you found. Air pollution, excellent. Air pollution. Light land pollution there on the board. Is it correct?
No.
Is it correct?
No.
Who may support him?
Me.
Pollution. Support him. Write portion correctly. Collect this. Collect. Is this portion? No. Use duster. Use duster. Write land portion correctly. If it is not visible, you can use this side. No problem. Is now correct?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ebola. We are going to write what? Water pollution, correct. The spelling is correct?
Yes.
Okay, I want someone. I want one of you who can discover, who can tell us what we are going to talk about. I have seen what is pollution, air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. According to what I have brought here. Guess what? Guess what is going to be started? Linda, guess what? Which pollution? Wait for her. What? Is that correct?
Yes.
Is what you have taught also?
Yes.
Nice. Our today's lesson is water pollution. Okay. Now, we are going to form the groups of 5. Okay? Groups of how many?
5.
Make a straight line here. Okay? In good way. Straight line. Listen to the instruction, Jesus and Blino. Please, be serious. We are running, okay? Now, we are going to count from 1 to 4. 1 to how many?
4.
We'll be having how many groups?
4.
How many groups?
4.
How many are you?
20.
20 over 4 equal 5, okay? So, you are counting from 1. 1 here, 2 there, 3 there, Priya, there. Then 4 behind. Good.
1.
Join 1.
2.
Join 2. Join 3. Join 3. Wita, come on, please, come on. 2, after 2.
3.
4, 3,
4.
4. 3 is here, then 4 is there. Activity. Here we have an activity. You have to follow all the instructions. Are we together for please and Lucy? Follow all the instructions of the activity. Okay? Activity number 1 is what is water pollution? Activity number 2. Activity number 2. What are the sources eyes on me, please. Valia, I need your attention. Of water pollution. Activity number 1 is? Correct. Activity number 2? Excellent. So you are going to use these papers and share their ideas about our activity. Excellent. So, guys, I give you 1 minute so that you present to the whole class what you have found, okay? 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Please and player, if you hear me well, please return. Now, it's our time to present our findings, okay? We are starting from group number 4. Group number 4. Come at the front, please, and share with us your findings. You are going to share with us what you have observed from the experiment you have done in your group, okay? Pauline, I need your attention.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to share with you our answer. We will have a day, a story, water, and we will get the water,
You can't drink it. I can see it looks like a juice.
No.
We can't drink it.
No.
So, if we drink it, what is happening? Then be sick. Eh? Nice one. Clap for them. Oh? Okay, have your seat. Your group. Cannot drink it.
Yes.
Are you sure that we can't drink that water?
Yes. Yes.
Ask them a question. Why can't we drink it? You can get sick of diarrhea diseases like worms, cholera, and typhoid. Excellent to this group. Well done. Well done. 2 claps here for the group number 2. Excellent. The last group. You found that after putting that sparkles, the water gets dirty, that will be water pollution, and it is not good for drinking. Are you sure? So, what is the reason are you going to share with your parents when you reach back home, according to that experiment? Okay, excellent. So, if you are going at the shop to buy water, what are you going to check on it? If there isn't any waste, or something which is very crucial. When you go to the shop to buy some water for drinking, make sure that you check on the expiration date. Expiration what? Because if it is expired, it is also polluted. It can harm you. It can cause you some diseases like those ones you mentioned, like cholera, typhoid, or diarrhea diseases in general. Okay? Are you together? Okay, another 2 claps here for this group. 1, 2, 3, go. Excellent. We are coming to an end of our lesson, but remember, based on your participation of today's lesson, I am going to give you a song as a reward. Okay? And if I say, we start, Pauline, get ready please, you are going to start. You are going to do what? Fabrice. On the way to Papa's farm. We on the way to Grandpa's farm. The Grandpa's farm, there is a vein. On the way to Grandpa's farm. We on the way to Grandpa's farm. At the Grandpa's farm there is a... We make a sound like this. We on the way to Grandpa's farm. We on the way to Grandpa's farm. The Grandpa's farm there is a... Well done. Excellent.